Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Today I'm about to organize under my kitchen sink. So if you'd like to see that video, stay tuned and keep watching. As you see, I have a lot of pipes and things in the way, you can see, so there's not a lot of space. There's just a lot of tubes and things under the sink. I don't know why they have it like this. It's just, that's just the way they've got it. This, of course, if you can see, that is for the sprayer, so that's kept loose. Pretty much out of the way. I'm not sure what that's hanging there for. I need to cut that off. But anyway, you can see these little things here. They're tied together with those ties the best that they can be. They kind of just get all the pipes or hoses. Saying pipes, but the hose is kind of up and out of the way somewhat back there, if you can see. So I know it's kind of hard to see in there. The light's not the best, but I'm going to try and set this up to where y'all can see what I'm doing. This is not the best view, and I've got this, of course, the middle of the cabinet, so it's going to be a little hard to see everything. I know what I'm doing, but I'll do the best that I can so y'all can see. Alright, so there was a leak here, and they redid this and put a new board and everything, took all that down because the bottom had some black mold in it, and took care of that. Then up under here, had this pipe up here had busted, and we started having a leak again, so he had to come back and fix that. So everything should be good now. At least I'm hoping and praying everything's gonna be good, no more leaks. And I'll get my things up under here, and we'll see how this goes. I want to put something down here, and first under the sink, and then we'll start organizing. So here's what my cabinet looks like now that it's finished. This is what I've got. And I've got this to where I can slide things out. I've got like microfiber, just some rags there. This I can slide out to where I can get in here with some cleaners. And then I can pretty much reach back in here. I'm not real crazy about that, but there's no other way I can really fix this. And then I did have to stack some of that. You know, I'm not real crazy about it, but it's the best I can do. I've got what I use most out in the front or on top. So I just kind of have to make do with it now. And then of course I've got this hanging over here. It's my dish rag, some all-purpose cleaner that I make myself. This is a dish towel and just a thing that I'm using right now because I don't have a dish rack, so I lay that on the counter for dishes that I have to do by hand. And then of course a fly swatter hanging right there, and like our garbage cans or bags for the garbage can in there. So like I said, that's about the best I can get it. I had these different baskets that I used to use, and I had one that was really great. It was like a double one and a place to hang your dish towel and everything. It was definitely too big, too wide to use. These I could not even use, even though they're a little bit more narrow, because of these baskets sticking out. I tried different ways. I even tried putting it over here and then putting this stuff on this side and this over there. Just nothing was working. So this is the way I had to do it. I may later try the thing that I organized in that bathroom in here, but it seems like I've tried to use that under a kitchen sink before and it just didn't work very well because of the piping. Now, I mean, you can adjust it the way you want, and I can take out shelves and stuff to fit around the piping, and that's what it's meant to do. But to use bigger baskets like this, I think this will work better than that, because you know you have to use smaller baskets with that one. And then I tried the one that I used in another cabinet, which I'll be showing you because I haven't even shown you that yet. It did not really fit properly in here either. It's just because of so much of these hoses, so it makes it difficult to use just about anything here. So, but this is the way I've got to do this. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you'll remember to give me a thumbs up, share, comment down below. Let me know how you like the organizing videos. If you want to see more, let me know. And I thank y'all for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe. Click the notification bell for all notifications. And I'll see y'all again soon. Have a blessed day.